But it all leads to the same place. Here. This desert where I find myself alone and broken. And I guess every road to redemption starts in a desert somewhere. It's just about picking yourself up, putting yesterday at your back and letting tomorrow be the wind in your face.
It's getting near dawn. When lights close the tire,